Hello. So the client has accepted to move the website from CDMON to ARSYS. I am providing you FileZilla exportation of what I have on here. So you have the CDMON, which is the old hosting, and you have ARSYS, which is the new hosting. If you put this on your FileZilla, you will have the access. So I have already done that because the website measures 9 gigas. It's a huge website. I already have it here, and I have two versions. I have the clean version because I passed antivirus, like I passed ESET No32, Kaspersky, Malwarebytes, etc. So the website it found viruses on it, and I removed them. And then let's say the clean version I uploaded to internet, which is WordPress. So I uploaded BFTP to CDMON, to ARSYS. So if you come here to, you're gonna see this because you need to make the connections with the database, which I also uploaded. And I also went to the zip. Let me just. This is the website. This is the ARSYS, and this is the CDMON. Okay, the CDMON. In case you want to redo everything from zero because what I did is incorrect, you can still access CDMON, but CDMON is already expired on the 23. 3 days ago, it has expired. So if you cannot make what I have already done to work, then just get it from zero from the old hosting, which is CDMON, but hurry up because it's already expired. So but you still can access it because right now I just access and it's working. So this is, it says maybe the other developer did this. He put like with virus website and then hacked website, and then this is the normal website which is also with viruses. So I downloaded this to localhost to my local computer. That's 9 gigas or 7 or something like that gigas, but it's a big website. And I passed it antivirus as I said, and then I uploaded to CDMON. So first of all, make the site work as Frank already uploaded it all. Plan B, do it from zero. What I'm saying is, like, if you don't find what I have done, then do it from zero. So basically I downloaded the files from FileZilla, and then I came to here. I went to the phpMyAdmin. Okay. So I'm leaving you the passwords and the direct access to this, so you have it. URL. Okay. So you can access it. I was not aware, I was not sure which one of these was, so I downloaded the 3 of them. I went to here, export, and I export fast way. I didn't touch much things. I just click on export and export in SQL format. This is the old hosting, so I click on export. I did the 3 of them. Okay, this is going super slow. So in the meantime, I went to ARSYS. Arsys cpanel URL user pass okay. So this is the Arsys and the cdemon cpanel URL. Okay, so I'll just continue in a moment. So I went here and I click on continue, and I downloaded the 3 of them. Then I went to Arsys, and then I accessed Arsys through FTP, and I uploaded the website to the HTML folder, so that 6 gigas of a website that is supposed to be clean with no viruses is already uploaded with all the pictures. You just need to make it work. But if, as I said again, if you don't understand what I did, then just redo it from 0, as you know. But it is important. It's important that the uploaded version of the website is free of viruses. Okay, so you can, when you make my version of the website to work, then you can check whether there's viruses, and if they are, remove them and still check the website is working, because the developer, the other person who didn't got the job, is going to do that. It's going to check whatever we find it, because they say that if Arsys, which is the new hosting, if they find we have viruses, they will blacklist our emails of this company, and they will stop sending emails to anybody. They will try to send emails, but the emails will go to the spam box because their website is with virus. So it will be super bad for them. So okay, so then I went to here, I'm at SQL. I click on add an SQL database. You don't have much options to choose, so I created this one, and then I create a user. When you create a new user, you select what permissions you want to give, like you put all these permissions. 1 minute, let me just try. Okay, anyway, let me just keep explaining you. So I created a new user, I'm creating it again, and I'm just creating another one. As you can see, there's no option to choose what is the username. They just put your user. I put all the permissions, and you click add, and you got this new user. Okay, so I went to the config of WordPress. I open it, I put the password. Let me just put the new user with the new permissions. I click save. I define it that the database I say that the database is this one, but this is just the description. The database, because it didn't allow me to put any name, it just put a name automatically, so I put it here. Okay, and inside you can access the database through here. Okay, so I'll give you the Arsys database access as well. cdemon Arsys PHP URL user pass. So the user is this, and the pass is this. Okay, And let me give you the CDMON finally. User pass okay. There. So I'm going to access the website. This was empty, so I came to import, and then I select the database that I downloaded from the other place. So once I uploaded the database, I went to options on the WordPress. I saw everything was fine. By the way, the other developer changed already the DNS, domain name server, so it's now pointing. Well, they parked the domain here now, I think, or they transferred the domain, so it should be working properly. He transferred that from CDMON to ARSYS. Okay, as you can see, this is ending in WP underscore. So on the WP config, I put the database name, the database user I created just in front of you now as well. I put the password, this, and then I left this on WP underscore because it's the table prefix. As you can see, it's there. But so I will say upload, try, still not working. So maybe I need to remove the prefix. I say okay. But that's not the problem. So I have no idea what is the problem. So okay, or check whatever the DNS. Maybe it's not pointing here, and I'm thinking I'm doing everything properly, and maybe we still pointed to the CDMON. I don't know. Just make it work. Make the website work. Okay, so it's important you upload a version without viruses, so try to fix mine to make it work. If not, then download it and upload it again. Make the site work as already uploaded. Optimize the pictures so they can measure less than 6 gigas. Look, if you go to the website, once you download it, you go to content, you go to uploads, and this is what it's super huge. If you properties, it's 6.5 gigas. I already uploaded. I already did this, but it was not enough. I did this. I put it like the size. I start opening pictures, and the pictures I saw, they were like big, but I did just with GPG, not with PNG. I see PNG as well. Every picture that I saw was big. I pass it through Photoshop and I make it smaller, but you're gonna see only that with GPG. But I don't know, that's how I did. I'm not telling you to do it like that. But as you can see, the biggest picture you're gonna find on GPG is 2 megas, and I think it's still big. But those pictures were measuring 32 megas or 40 megas before, and so I make it smaller. Look, I have the original version here, and if you go to content, uploads, you're gonna see the size before I touch it. Now I think, yeah. Well, here as you can see, this is the biggest that I edited, and this is what is uploaded right now on the website. on the RCs, the biggest size is 2 megas, and in this case the bigger size is 8 megas. So I already optimized it, but it's not enough. The website is still big. So optimize that, please. And 1 minute. Once the site is working, upgrade to latest WordPress version. Just try it. In case it's not possible, then let me know, but try to do it. Okay, so it's 1 2 3 4. Okay, we need to be able to access admin panel of WordPress. Why am I saying this? Is because 1 minute, I already uploaded another version of this website to my hosting, to my HostGator, because I was testing, and it's already uploaded, but it's kind of weird how it looks. Veronica. Maybe I erased it already. No, it's there. Yes. So yeah, we had these issues of this, but the website without the issues, it should look like this. This is in HostGator. Eh? You go inside. Everything is fine except for these things that I just copy paste everything. The same thing I did with Arsis, I did it in HostGator first, but for some reason in Arsis it's not working. So, but we don't need to fix this one, which is in HostGator. This is just for you to have an idea how the website was looking, but the website was looking perfect, not with these issues. This is how the website was looking, but without the error codes. Okay, and why am I saying we need to? Because when I want to WordPress admin on here, it gives me this, and this was the address to go to WordPress, but it was on the, you know, it was on here, like. It was here, but now it's not. It was working on the normal side. On HostGator, I was not able to make it work, so it is important that that thing works. Okay, and I think that's all. Okay, super important, the viruses. You had to do as much because this website is indeed infected. It's infected because we have found viruses, and let me show you, because I even sent a picture. I was telling the client I got 3 databases. I don't know from where I sent, but I sent a picture to the client of the antivirus. So in theory, the website that I uploaded to Arsis is the optimized website with optimized pictures, but the pictures should be more optimized because they're still big, and it's a website that is supposed to be clean without viruses because I cleaned it myself. Maybe I broke something and that's why it's not working. Maybe, I don't know. So just let me know. Thank you.